How's it going, buddy? How's Dominic? I just want to check out the stars for a bit. I did see one meteor earlier. Hopefully see another one, but you never know. It's gonna be daylight here really quick. Here comes a really bright satellite. This time of morning, you normally see a lot of satellites. Yeah. I couldn't sleep. Figured I'd just come out and look at stars for a bit. Hey, good morning, David. How are you? How is your morning? That one actually looks more like an airplane, but is that an airplane? Let me go look. Look at the all-sky camera. Nope. That's just a really bright satellite, like super bright. Hey, good morning, Pam. How are you? Just getting going for the day? Nice. Comes another satellite. Sean from San Francisco. Good morning to you. How you doing, Sean? How's the view look, by the way? That is great. That's super awesome. Good. What state are we looking for? What do you mean? What exactly mean what state are we looking for? See satellites? Yeah, there's so many of them. We're looking out towards Orion. It's gonna be in the direction of Orion here. Hi, Christine. Oh, I got you. What star are we looking for? No, honestly. Just hoping to see a meteor. I seen one a bit ago, right before I went live. I was just hoping we'd capture a meteor this morning before the sun comes up. Be a good way to start the day, right? Hey, Bob, how's it going? What better way to start the day than capturing a meteor? Here comes a couple of satellites. Like 3 satellites coming into the view right now. Oh, 4. I see 4 satellites. At least 4. Moon, look in your scope. It looks good. We live streamed the moon last night. I'm going to try to get it tonight before the clouds roll in here in Kansas City area. The clouds look like they're going to be relentless, though. Looks like a Monday, our supermoon is going to be nothing but rain for us here. That kind of sucks. The sun's not up yet. We're looking at stars right now. The sun ain't even out yet. It's still fairly dark. It's going to be getting bright on us here really quick, though. Quicker than what we'd hoped for. So many beautiful stars out tonight, though. We need the rain. Yeah, we absolutely do out here. Are you near Kansas City or no? So no, yeah, we can't see the sun. It's still night. We can view the sun through telescopes. We do have special filters for it, though. By the escalation comments, just how it is. I'm good, Elwood. What's up, buddy? I am back on. That is true. How are you doing, Jacqueline? You're in Jeff City? Okay, I got you. You saw some of those satellites in the sky? Thing was moving all sorts of directions. Never forget. Friend Ryan? Man, are you sure you weren't drinking? Hopefully you weren't drinking. There's like really, really dim satellites going through the view that I can see. Like, there's so many satellites up there. Like a crazy amount of satellites in the view. Kind of nice meter when I was looking at, I think, M107 and went through the eyepiece just above it. Oh, no way, David. Dude, that's so awesome. That is so awesome. So into the Cat's Eye Nebula. I'm not using a telescope right here. This is using my mirrorless camera to be able to look out. This is normally like when we're watching for meteors, we'll use this camera and then we'll use the all-sky camera as well. We kind of bounce between the two. The view, oh, it's so gorgeous, ain't it? Getting to see Orion like this. Such a beautiful view this morning. Mario, what up, Mario? How's my favorite alien? How is our favorite alien, Mario? Let me kind of move over here just a bit. Some trees in the view over there. There's bright Jupiter. Jupiter being super bright. Spin the camera just a bit more. Yeah, it's a gorgeous view. It's really gorgeous out tonight. What's the sun right in New Jersey? I'm on the screen. Yeah, so funny. Yeah, beautiful Orion out there. Orion doing Orion things. $10:10 for you now. 6:11 a.m. for us now. 6:11 a.m. It is so beautiful, ain't it? Hey, what's up, Ian? How you doing? Wonder how far them stars are apart. Yeah, for honestly, really, really far. It's hard to put your mind to how far these things are apart. Really hard to put your mind into it. Look at the amount of satellites, though. They are just everywhere. Every freaking where. Speak alien, Mario. Mario does speak alien. That is true. It depends on the vantage point. That is true. If you're at the star looking at the other star, it's really far from you. If you're from here looking up, it's not too far. That is a good point. That's really a good point. But they really are. They're very far away. 7:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you are. Oh, nice. Very awesome. I'm Kansas City. We're just outside of Kansas City. It's 6:12 a.m. for us. And the sun is going to be poking soon. This is Orion constellation here. This is the Orion constellation that we're looking at. Beautiful Orion out there. Astronomers use a toilet where it has a waste go into a waste container. Morning, Chris. How's it going? Dude, almost an original joke, man. I'm an astronomy man. Uranus jokes never hit the spot. You got to be a little bit more clever than that. So space junk. God created the heavens and the earth. It's all beautiful in sight. Oh, what's space junk though? Not sure what we're talking about now. Satellites, or I honestly don't even know what you're speaking of now. Orion, it is. I got empty in space. Nah, nah, man. And by the way, it's pronounced Uranus, not Uranus. So was space junk a big differ? Oh, satellites are definitely space junk. Satellites are about the most trash we could ever throw out there for sure. I know that we need it obviously for technology, but dang it, it's space junk. It gets in the way when we're doing astrophotography. It makes people see funny things that scare them at times. More junk in space than the ocean. Oh no, absolutely not. The ocean definitely has a lot of junk. This is Orion. We're looking at Orion currently. Out towards beautiful Orion. You don't sleep at night ever? Sometimes. Actually fell asleep. Oh, did I see a shooting star right in the center or no? I don't know if I did. Was there a really fast shooting star in the center? I fell asleep for like 30 minutes and then woke back up and couldn't fall back asleep. They just degraded the orbit. Yeah, that's kind of true. But there's still a lot of them up there that don't actually get dropped off. The twinkling red one about right in the center on the right side, that's a hot pixel on the camera. Did you see something? I thought I'd seen it like a really fast meteor, but I wasn't 100% sure. I'll have to look at the replay later. It looked like a really fast meteor. Yep, these stars are just in our galaxy. That is true. That is true. Yeah, full moon coming up Monday night. Monday night for us. There'll be a full moon here. About 10:30 roughly, 10:30 p.m. Central Time. Meteor. Did you see it, Mario? It was really fast. It was super fast. Oh, nice, man. Heck yeah. Yep. The one I seen earlier it was a bit slower than that one. That was a really fast one. The Orionids tend to be relatively slower. So most likely that wasn't part of the Orionids. Let me shower here, honey. Here in the Northern Hemisphere, yeah. Absolutely. Thought it was a glacier so fast, yeah. Yeah, it was a really fast one. High velocity. Betelgeuse would be way off on the left side. Or for you guys, I'd be way up top. My bad. Betelgeuse. You can see all the stars. Yeah, right before twilight for you. 7:15 a.m. now on the East Coast. Yeah. It's going to be getting bright here. I don't know if you can tell. It's already starting to get there. We're getting a little bit more light pollution into the lens, and so it's getting all that noise basically. And we'll start to lose the view very quickly. Yeah, tons of satellites. Ton of satellites. Yep, looking at Orion. Universe is mind-boggling, that's true. Hopefully y'all are ready for the Orionids. The Orionids is the night of the 21st into the 22nd. We'll be using 2 different cameras to be able to capture the Orionids that night. Yeah, the ones you see moving, if they ain't flashing, they're satellites. And if you see the flashing light, then you'll see airplanes. Yo, what's up, Skygazer? What's up, buddy? I see you. Favorite constellation? Probably Orion. Orion's definitely gorgeous. Either Orion or I was told it had to be the Dolphin of Venus. But honestly, I like Orion. I think Orion is gorgeous. Jaws of the Southern Hemisphere, yeah. They got some really beautiful star constellations down there. Have I ever seen a UFO? Honestly, no. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. You think Orion looks like it's been placed there? I think it's a very interesting pattern of stars for sure. Ah, yeah, way too beautiful. Super beautiful this morning. Super, super beautiful. If it wasn't for the crazy light starting to break over the horizon. So many dang stars out there. Still here. Oh, I came back on. I just came on like 20 minutes ago. I took like a 30-minute nap. Jupiter is up. It is. That projects a picture of planets, and you can choose which planet. Right now, I have Jupiter on my wall. No way, Elwood. That's really cool, man. That is super cool. Can you see 3i Atlas with your telescope? Not yet. Not until November. Gotta wait until November. I got 16 different telescopes here in the observatory. Light speed is it? Are you asking? Is it possible to go? Light speed? I'm not sure if that's a question or not. Yeah, Venus, but Venus will be behind the trees for me. I can't see Venus very well from the observatory. It is way behind trees for me. Let me kind of slew that way a little bit. I'll show you like the main issue with the observatory. Oh heck, I don't even know why I'm doing that. I could just show you the all sky above the observatory. Here's the all sky camera that sits on top of the observatory and gets updated nonstop. And we got trees that wrap all around us. Ton of different trees. You can see here, man, the sun's coming up so fast. The 3 stars, correct. That was a belt. That was Orion's belt when you seen the 3 stars. Yeah, we ain't got much longer. We're gonna lose the view here really quickly. Thanks, Ian. Appreciate it, bud. My mind would have to rest from earlier. Got a chat out there. Yeah, some of that just got way out there for sure. Some people just, I don't know, can push the boundaries of things that are beyond anything I can understand. Try to pull out some of the brightness here. Won't be as noisy for us. There we go. Satellite. Yes, see a satellite going by the belt. I see a satellite. What do you do? Apparently not sleep. We're possibly to catch up at light speed. No, man, we'd never be able to travel light speed. You think there's life out there? I think so. I think there will be life out there. I think eventually we'll be able to say life does exist outside of Earth. But so far in science, we haven't got solid evidence yet. Which one is Sirius? Sirius would be further down from where we're looking. Like, well, in your guys' view, I guess it'd be like to the left and to the left quite a bit more. It would be downwards, be more south. Wish the nebula was vivid every night. Yeah. Like pushing others' buttons. I think so too. For there not to be life. Yeah. The universe is absolutely massive. Look at the 7 sisters. It's hard to get to with the camera that I have right now. This one only turns left, right, and then it can tilt left and right the way I have it set up on a mount. Makes it a little bit more difficult to do. Alright, we'll get some rest, buddy. We'll see you soon. Yeah, see you tomorrow. I should be on here. I should be on with the moon. We'll do a little bit of science with the moon tomorrow night. A light moving across the sky. It must be an airplane. If it's not flashing, then you're looking at a satellite. Airplanes have strobe lights to them. You can usually tell if you're looking at an airplane or a satellite fairly easily. You know, like right here, you see a satellite coming through, going to the top left. That's a satellite. Notice how it's more consistent. That's the light reflecting off of it. Sometimes satellites can be in a weird wobble state, and they tend to have like almost a flashing view to it, but you'll notice it's not like a light flashing, but it's more of something reflecting off of it being the sunlight. How many years have I had this channel here on YouTube? About a year, streaming about a month. Nah, aliens don't have red and blue specks. Nah, aliens coming and visiting us here on Earth would be a super hard thing for them to do. As far as life as we know it, we don't do well getting away from gravity and then being introduced back to gravity. For example, if you travel to Mars and you're going to stay there, you're not coming back. We got way too much gravity for it. Same for the moon. If you go to the moon for a year, you're not coming back, unfortunately. What up, Ace of Space? What's up, buddy? Can you look at a Mega Centauri? I cannot. I cannot, bud. Where am I? Kansas City, Missouri. What constellation is this? This is Orion. We're looking at Orion. Yo, J Pizzle, thank you so much, buddy. Dude, thank you so much, J Pizzle. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, bud. Good morning, Jordan. How are you? Good morning. See that? No, I missed it. What was it? What was? Did you see a shooting star or just satellite? You see a meteor or satellite? I missed it. Again, J Pizzle, thank you so much, bud. What was your question? Was that about light speed or what? Must have missed something. Oh, yeah, if you come back, yeah, it'd be all bad. You'd be crushed. Gravity would take you. Ah, you guys seen a shooting star? I missed it. No way. No way, I missed it. I was reading the comments. I missed it. My bad. No way, that's 3 this morning. 1 right before I went live, and then we caught 1 earlier, and then that one. So 3 of them already this morning. That's crazy. 3 in roughly about 25 minutes. Kind of active right now. Everything is a little different. Oh, I got you. Yeah. Star patterns can get kind of funny like that. Miss what you said about not coming back from the moon or Mars. Yeah, it's just all bad. You get away from the gravity that we have here, which is we have really high gravity here on Earth, obviously. Then what happens, like your muscle mass starts to lose, because take it for an example, like if you work out a lot, if you're like one of those guys that like bodybuilding, and then you take a year off and don't bodybuild, like you lose all that muscle mass. And then you come back to working out that first time, it's hard on you, really hard on you, but the same kind of thing. You go out away from gravity. It's like working out. You're away from gravity. Now you're not walking on something that has so much force on you. You're not moving with so much force. You're losing your muscle mass, and then you start to lose your bone density. And then you come back to something with a ton of gravity like what we have here, and it's too much for you to handle. There's a lot of satellites going past. I just seen one a second ago. But the sun is getting ready to poke here really quickly. You notice we're starting to lose a lot of view of the stars. Yeah, Elon's toys are hard at work, yeah. See Pleiades with the telescope that you have. Yeah, we can definitely see Pleiades. Do you think there are aliens? I think so. I think there's going to be life out there. I definitely think so. Hi, Katie. Katie Joy's Doll Collection. How's it going? Have you seen the sun? Not yet. It has not came up above the horizon. It's just now starting to break twilight, obviously. Oh, with the telescope? Yeah, absolutely. I've streamed it a few times here on YouTube already. What's up with sun? Not up yet. Is this a passion, work, or both? I do this as a, what we're doing right now is definitely a hobby. This is the hobby side of it all. This is definitely the hobby side of it all. Here comes another satellite right through Orion. Look how fast that one's going. That one is moving. Light traffic in San Diego. That's so funny. Oh my goodness. Hi, Ian. Fun to imagine how different life can be out there. Life and all is coming and going. Has always been different here. Yeah, so true. Yeah, absolutely. What time is it there? The sun is up in Indianapolis right now, 6:27. It'll be coming up real quick, though. Here in Kansas City, it's 6:27 a.m. What do you think about the fact that we sent a message to Mars? I think we got a message back. Personally, think it was aliens. What message are you talking about? When? What? I don't know anything about this one, man. I don't know anything about that. Honestly, don't know anything about it. Oh, Liam, when I speak of it, though, I speak on the scientific side, meaning that we have to have confirmed evidence, obviously. Just change your channel background? Oh, I got you. What star cluster is that? Orion. This beautiful Orion. Did I say the message came from the moon? Dude, I don't know what you're talking about. Yo, David, thank you so much, bud. Thank you for joining the, thanks for joining See the Skies, man. All the love and support. Make sure you jump on our Discord with us. Definitely love to have you in Discord with us, for sure. Need for the message from Mars, Joe? When are you guys talking about a message from Mars? What the heck? I don't know what y'all are talking about. From 3i Atlas. What message? you all talking about? Like, oh my goodness. Anyways, hey, what's up, Ben? How's it going? Carlos, what's up? Yeah, it's getting bright fast. It is getting bright really fast. I could try to take out some of the brightness, but we're just not going to see stars soon. It's getting bright though. Look at the wind blowing down there. Ton of wind out here by Kansas City. Science fiction authors and artists, not one has failed to mention that they don't know where ideas came from. Yeah. Feel the earth turn left. What? Evidence is a must. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, when we talk about the math, though, yeah, that's a whole different thing. Mathematically, yeah, we're probably not alone. Do all satellites go in the same direction? Nope, they do not. Most government satellites go north to south, south to north, where most, what would you consider, most economic style satellites go east to west, west to east. And some are geostationary, that's true. There are some that are geostationary. Classified info from Mars, I got you. So you got classified info from Mars. Now it's making more sense. Used to think I'd get aliens. I'm a radio. I turned to the AM frequency. Dude, the AM frequency is great, man. You get to hear all kinds of different statics type stuff out there, like lightning storms, for example. It's crazy how much it can pick up. I like AM radio stations for sure. Is it statistically impossible that we're alone? I mean, sheer numbers, man, make it where it's very possible something's out there. Sheer numbers do. Is it possible that nothing else is out there? Sure. It's definitely a possibility. What's a geostationary? It's a satellite that stays in position. So, for example, if you think of like the old TV, satellite TV, those stay in position. They're always in the exact same location in the sky. For a budget beginner telescope, something that you're able to see Saturn and Jupiter relatively well. Ooh, relatively well and budget are two different things, but I would look at something like a tabletop Dobsonian for sure. Oh yeah, AM is so interesting to listen to. Sometimes you get signals bouncing back from planes, yeah, and all the way around the road, yeah, for sure. Hey, Jordan's read alien encounter footage? Nah, I haven't. Compelling footage and images? No, my only thing when it comes to like alien type stuff nowadays, obviously, is it's kind of like everybody in 2025 are using cameras from back in the 1990s and stuff like that. It's almost like Bigfoot. I just don't go down the rabbit hole. And now, of course, it's going to be even worse. Now where there's going to be a lot of AI involved with it. Yep, another satellite passing. I've seen it too. Do live on Neptune. We did Neptune. Did we do Neptune last night? I think we did. I think we did a few times. We went to Neptune. Neptune's just kind of a really distant planet, not very big to pick up on the video. 2.7 billion miles away. And that blue is gorgeous, but it's just crazy. Yeah, AI is tough. Did I just see a meteor or no? Did you guys see a meteor near the top or no? I think maybe I've seen one. AI is tough. I think AI is going to really mess up people, especially being able to like build trust in a huge sense. I think we definitely need to find a better way to do trust. What about weather satellites? Some do. Some are geostationary as well. A lot of weather satellites are geostationary as well. Yeah, AI definitely do that. It's horrible. Like I just seen earlier, like some dude was trying to show this triangle-looking UFO and claimed it was in Mexico, and obviously you could tell it was AI. AI is scary. I agree. It absolutely is a scary situation. The video creation of AI can be used, and it's like anything, I guess. You can use it for good or you can use it for bad. And a lot of people are going to use it to, when it comes to something like money, for example, people will use it for the bad side, obviously. Yo, from Dublin, what's going on, Tomo? Can you see 3i Atlas? Not yet. Not until November. We'll be able to pick it up from the observatory here in November. Yeah, right, Gel's starting to disappear. It is getting bright. It is getting bright really quick. Really, really quick. It's just on the edge of the view, though. See if I can turn the camera a little more. I'll swing Rigel back in. Rigel! Hey, what's up? How's it going, Catalyst? How's your morning? 3 stars in a line, Orion. It is. That's Orion's belt. That's beautiful, Orion. Jupiter's way off on the left. Quite a bit further. Oh, in your guys' view, it'd be more like upper left. Be way off that overview. For things such as AI policies, could be quite. Oh, dude, yeah, I agree. Absolutely. Getting harder and harder to find real humans out there. Dude, that's so true. It's honestly true. It is a scary situation for sure. Clickbaits lately seem to be more outrageous and more sheep believe it. Yeah, and the craziest thing is most of it you can tell really quick it's AI. And it is funny to read the comments to see how many people are like, oh, I've seen this out my window. It's like, wait, what? You seen AI out your window? What the heck? Yeah, it's mind-blowing. It definitely is. Sharon from Australia, welcome in. How are you? Southern Cross constellation. It is. It's in the southern hemisphere, though. You got to be in the southern hemisphere to see the Southern Cross. We don't get to see it up here. Another satellite, yeah. Crazy satellites. Knows how much better it will get, though. Yeah. Is this stream AI generated? No. No, it's a live camera. I can stand right in front of it on you. It's a live camera here. What time will the sunrise? It's coming up here quickly. It's 6:34. What time's sunrise for us right now? Sunrise is at 6:52. Or wait, no. That's PM. I am looking way back. Whoa. 7:21 a.m. 7:21 a.m. Oh, joking. I got you. Dude, I mean, honestly, like, as someone that wants to gain trust, obviously, I'm always thinking, like, how can I make sure everybody knows that what they're looking at's real? And it's obviously true, too. We're looking at, like, planets and the moon and stuff through a telescope. How do you make sure you build that trust? And I think that's where AI really hurts someone even like me, is how do you build trust with the astronomy community and the general public, for example, or just how do we gain trust even on the science side? It's really big. Here's another satellite in the view. Man, the daylight's coming fast. We'll start pulling out some of the brightness, so at least we can see Orion. How do I download an old game? It's abandoned. I'm not allowed to help you with that legally. Yeah, how do I do laundry? Or how do I do laundry money? You're so insightful to ask that. I'd love to help. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. No, Orion's not the Big Dipper. No. I forget to track the ISS in real time so that we can see it. I do have something set up on the system now. A friend of mine and I actually set something up. So the telescope will actually track the International Space Station as it goes through the sky. Haven't got to test it yet, though. So hopefully here soon. What do you think about U.S. military whistleblowers talking about UFOs? It was in the news, if you haven't seen it. Which one? So you're talking about the helicopter in the blue? Or just the helicopter at the Hellfire? Have an amazing day, William. Appreciate it. I've seen moving objects bright. All stars. Got video of it. Just moving in a straight line. Very bright. Probably got the ISS. The ISS is really, really bright. And even Ting Gong is really bright. Super bright. 3 stars under Orion's belt. The middle of the star, the brightest. So that, when you're like underneath it here, that's going to be the dagger. This is where the Great Orion Nebula is actually located. And that middle one where you see how it's like really, really bright, that is where the Great Orion Nebula is. That's not actually a star, that's a nebula right there. Check our app. It's amazing. Oh yeah, ISS Live app is really wonderful too. Absolutely. Too much fake news lately, yeah. Hopefully I got though, Jessa. I didn't see your response, but I assume you're talking about the one with the helicopter and the Hellfire missile. Just for anyone that wants some amusement, a couple days ago, someone who didn't realize the sun illuminated the moon might believe the moon was glow in the dark. Oh man. Military plane, but didn't hear any sound. I got you. I got you. The sun is coming. Coming too dang fast. Way too fast. There's only so much light I can actually pull out before it just turns completely bright on us. See more and more videos, a few thousand objects going towards us have the same trajectory as Atlas. Nah, those are fake. Those are fake. Proxima A, Southern Hemisphere. It's a Southern Hemisphere, but can't see it from here in the Northern Hemisphere. Hey, how's it going? Where am I? Kansas City. Kansas City region. What's the coolest thing that you've ever seen any favorite planet? Definitely Jupiter. Jupiter's gorgeous. It's like the one thing I really love to view. Yeah, it's definitely big. Went to look at Orion, but the clouds are in the way. Oh, sun coming up fast. Yep, Venus and Jupiter still bright in the sky. Good morning from southern Louisiana. Hey, good morning to you. We're going to have a lot of clouds. You got one question. What's up? Ask your question. Feel free to do so. Yeah, they're going to say the sky is CGI. Yeah. Yeah. Robbie and Tracy from Newcastle. How's it going, Robbie and Tracy? Have you ever seen a UAP? Honestly, no. I've been looking at the sky so long that if I see something, I can usually call it out immediately and say what we're looking at. It's just, I guess, one of the perks that when you do this so long, you know what you're looking at. What time is it here right now? 6:39 a.m. Sun just went down for you. Very awesome. Are the pyramids based on the Orion position 12,000 years ago? That's a good question. Honestly, it's a great question. It's very mysterious. Because when you look at like the 3 stars there, it's about in the same position. When you look at the, you can see how one's a little bit dimmer. The one on the top left is a little dimmer. The one in the pyramids is smaller. Could it be a coincidence? Could it be something to do for Orion? Because we know that ancient history, they looked up the stars. They thought they were gods and stuff like that. So it's a great question. Honestly, I don't have the answer for it though. It doesn't appear that they actually line up with where Orion would have been at that period, but there's something for sure about the how they're actually how they looked almost the same. Yeah, it's hard to say. Honestly, it's really hard to say. Can you speak Italian? No, I can speak Spanish, so a little bit of Italian. There's obviously there's a lot of Latin in it. So I can speak Spanish. I can speak a little bit Tagalog, but not Italian itself, though. Mario's having a lot of fun. Mashed potato calls ancient aliens. Dude, you're a character, man. Do like looking at stars well. Oh, you're in Perth. Nice. Absolutely awesome. Just like on Earth, there is a equator. Same as in other planets also. Yeah, for the most part. Like, for example, like, let's take Saturn, right? Saturn's equator is much, much wider than the height of Saturn when we talk about pole to pole. So it's actually the flattest planet in our solar system. Que bueno que hablas español, sí. Mi esposa is Latina. Just learned yesterday that the Titan's atmosphere tilt. How strange. That's pretty crazy, huh? For you didn't learn a lot already, but I'll see y'all later. Absolutely. Can't wait to see you later. Had all the measurements on the star patterns, also the pyramids. Yeah, but History Channel's been pretty crazy. Like, when you watch History Channel, they literally try to make everything seem like aliens came down and did stuff now. History Channel is no longer History Channel. It just has a name, History Channel. Now it's just kind of, what can we put on to make people watch it? History Channel is basically like clickbait as well. It's so tough. This years ago. I know, but they've had Ancient Alien for so long now. Yeah, History Channel used to be good. It definitely used to be good. Give the people that built the pyramids more credit. Oh yeah, absolutely. Like, there's a lot of cool things about the pyramid. For example, like, did they use water to lift everything up? Figured out how to use like water, hydraulics basically, but use some water. There are canals and stuff around. We know that back then there would have been a lot more water in the region. So that's a very good possibility. I mean, there's so much there. But again, that's a whole different thing than where we're at for sure. Yeah, it's became really a conspiracy channel. It's kind of upsetting. I used to love watching the History Channel. Where's this? Kansas City, Missouri. There are a few comments around. What would be interesting if we could actually pick up 3i, or not 3i, what the heck was I going to say? Lemon, Comet Lemon. If we took photographs, we'd be able to see them, but I highly doubt it with this much brightness. Hi, Karen. Good morning to you. How are you? How's your morning? Ooh, the sun is coming up so fast. Guess what? We captured a few meteors, Karen. You missed them. What color is the sky? The color of the sky is really translucent. Then the blue light starts to hit everything and then it turns blue. The energetic light, the blue energetic light, and some of the green even really bounce off of our atmosphere and cause that blue color. It's hard to see any stars now. Yeah, the brightness of the sky is getting us. Something new to observe in the sky in coming days. Please update. We got the first of the 3 super moon's coming up. That'll be Monday, which is really nice. What camera is it? I use a Canon M50 Mark II. Woke up a couple of times, checked in. I got you. Yep, Canon M50 Mark II is the camera that we're using currently. It's a really nice camera. Really, really nice camera. But daylight is here. It has come. Always unfortunate. I guess any other updates? I mean, yeah, we got the super moon Monday, super 100th moon, and then on the 21st, 22nd, we'll have the Orionids with the 4% moon, illuminated moon. So it's going to be really awesome. What does it cost, the camera? This camera, I think I bought it for like $1,000, around $1,000. So I think so. I appreciate it. Do you have a lens filter to see the sun? I do. I do. So the sky is actually transparent like water. I mean, yeah. Essentially, yeah. At the end of the day, that's how we see stars and stuff in the sky, right? But there's a lot of elements in our atmosphere, obviously. 12% oxygen. You keep going through the rest of the elements. Wait, this is Orion. We're looking at Orion here. Good morning from Ohio State. What up, Art of War? What's up, buddy? What up, man? No, this is a beautiful Orion out here. I gotta try to pull out some more of the brightness. Wow, some more brightness. Can I even get enough out? No. That's pretty much it. There ain't no way I can get enough brightness out. It's just gonna be daylight way quickly here. Way too quick. Yep, so that's pretty much it, y'all. Beautiful Orion. We definitely wouldn't see a meteor unless it's super bright at this point. Unfortunately, just how it is. Look it up, AJ Lena's on History Channel. Yeah. I'm speaking of an actual channel that talks about geographical maps. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, I got you. Low for Orion. What state am I in? I am in Kansas City, Missouri area, and it's not really low. That's just a really massive tree that we're next to. A really massive tree, and we're looking at it sideways. So let me turn the camera again. This is going to be the side of the observatory. So this is kind of the west wall of the observatory, and then of course Orion's way up there, and then you got this tree here, and you keep moving around. You'll see the telescope over here. There's the counterweight of the telescope. And you go off way over here, and it's just going to get so bright because that's towards the direction where the sun's coming up. Way over there. Vodafone? What the heck is a Vodafone, bro? I don't even know what a Vodafone is. Have an amazing day, David. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate y'all. All right, y'all. Tonight, we'll be with the moon. Hopefully we'll get a good view of the moon for sure. Hopefully we'll get a good view. Curious about it? I honestly no. I haven't observed anything that I would say is alien. Honestly haven't. Alright, clear skies, y'all. Have an amazing day. And I shall see y'all tonight. Tonight. Probably around, maybe around 9 o'clock Central Time, roughly. Clear skies, y'all. And have an amazing day. Be awesome. See y'all soon.